welcome back to Healthy Kitchen Wizard. Today I am so excited I can hardly contain myself. I just came back from my neighbor's house. Well, they're not really neighbors, they're family, okay? Let's leave it at that. And I have to give a big shout out to Steve and Keith because they helped me to pick these things, which I'm going to show you in a minute. So I went over there and they had 2 starfruits on his counter. And I said, "Oh, you got starfruits?" He says, "Yeah, we just picked it." So I said, "Well, I'd like to pick some." So we got some grocery bags, went out to the tree, and look what we have. We have not 1, not 2, 3 bags of starfruit. So look at my starfruit. Look at that. 3 bags. We're going to put them right here. Look at that. They're all going in this platter here. They smell amazing. Now, when I was growing up as a child, we had a starfruit tree in our yard. And so I always had starfruits. Look at that. I'm so excited. Look at this one. It is huge. Look at that. It's amazing. Woo, baby. Look at that. Now, these are pretty expensive in the grocery store, I will tell you. All right, that's all I'm going to put on here for now. Check it out. Okay. Now, stick around because towards the end, I'll be showing you how to turn this tropical fruit into a refreshing, zesty starfruit salsa. That's perfect for if you're cooking fish or chicken or just to scoop up with a tortilla chip. It's just outrageously delicious. And there's amazing health benefits to this. Okay, so I'm just going to demonstrate for you how I cut my starfruit. So I just take the knife and take these little ends off like that. Like that. Because they're a little tough. And then you cut this part out. And you place it like that. And see, it all comes out like a fruit, like a star, see? That's why it's called starfruit. It's delicious. It tastes almost like a peach. So let's make some salsa. I have 4 of the star fruits that I already cut up. And I'm just going to demonstrate for you how I cut this. Now I took the ends off already and I washed it. And so I cut it in 2. Now when you cut it in 2, you have to be careful to get the seeds are in the middle here. So you see there's 1 seed there. So you have to get it out. There. See? This one doesn't have any seeds. So we'll put that away. And there's no science to this. You just cut it up, little pieces, just like that. You're good to go. Okay. Clean my board. I don't like working on a dirty surface. Okay. So we're good. We have 5 star fruits cut up in here, and I have 1 lemon. Now I like to put some lemon zest in it, and I need the lemon juice. So I'm gonna zest the lemon first because I like it nice and tangy. I do have another grater, but this one is here now, so. Cut the lemon. And squeeze the juice in here. You can use a lime also. Okay. I got that. And I have 1 small onion cut up. Put that in there. Half of a red bell pepper. Cilantro cut up. Jalapeno, 1 jalapeno. And of course, salt and pepper to taste. And you just toss it. That smells good. See? Look at that. That's a beautiful thing right there. Look at this salsa. It's bright and fresh and healthy. I love serving this with like grilled salmon or chicken, but honestly, it's so much better with the tortilla chips, which is what I'm gonna try right now. So I'm gonna put just a little bit in here. and we'll give it a try. Mmm. 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 Oh my goodness. That's just, it's an outrageous burst of flavors that just wakes you up. Ooh. All right. I'm not going to continue to eat in front of all of you, but you have to try this because it is outrageously delicious. Okay, let's talk about starfruit and what makes it so special. Number one, it's low in calories and high in nutrients. 1 cup of sliced starfruit has under 40 calories, yet it gives you fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. Number two, it's an immunity booster. The vitamin C supports your immune system, helps to fight off colds, and keep your skin glowing. Number three, digestive health. The fiber in starfruit helps with digestion and keeps you feeling full. Number four, heart health. It contains potassium and other compounds that support healthy blood pressure and circulation. And number five, hydration and refreshment. Since it's over 90% water, starfruit is hydrating and perfect on a hot day, especially in a place like Florida. Here's a little note. If you have kidney issues, starfruit may be the best choice for you because it contains oxalates. But for most people, it's a wonderful, healthy fruit to enjoy. And I surely enjoy it. Thank you so much for joining me today in Healthy Kitchen Wizard Kitchen. I hope you give starfruit salsa a try. It's such a fun way to enjoy this tropical fruit and bring a little sunshine to your table. If you liked today's video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more healthy and delicious recipes. And share this with a friend who loves to try new things. Until next time, keep cooking with love, keep eating for health, and keep shining bright like the star you are. See you soon.